My name is Luna and I'm a junior at eHigh Fontana. We learned about teaching methodologies, classroom management techniques, and how to create an engaging learning experience.
Me personally, I want to become a teacher. I want to pursue that career. And so far, it's informing me a lot of how other students think and how you could adjust them from different ages, because not everybody thinks the same in the same age. I like helping other students. I like being able to change someone's perspective and how to learn. I learned about time management and how the brain works.
Well, it'll help me explore the rewarding field of education and gain the skills to become an effective and inspiring teacher.
As I progress more in the education program, there will be more availabilities into being a teacher assistant, and I would love to be a teacher assistant and help other teachers so it could be more hands-on and I know how to actually maybe help students out.